Just got the car fired up for the first time in about 2 months. Look at the ceiling, it's dripping. You can see drips of water. So this stuff, the humidifier, is not helping at all. There is no water there. All the water is accumulated on the ceiling. I will get car running up to the temperature and I will dry up and we will be carry on with the coilovers and Super Knuckles installation. Right guys, have adjusted the preload. I've done about 3 or 4 mil on each side. Coilovers are on. Fitment is regulated, there's only one finger at the moment. I'm just gonna go for a spin around and see if it's scrubbing or not, and possibly we will need to raise for another 10 mil or so, and about one finger from this side as well. I think I will need to raise it a little bit more, just a touch. I had this 10 coilover for about 2.5 years and they are still very solid, no leaks. I will keep them as a spares just in case. What a mess. I need to do some wild cutting, grinding, whatever you call it. Couldn't extract the bush from this rusted arm, so this is scrap now. Oh, look at this, looks really nice. This is actually the second day I'm playing with the suspension. Yesterday I've done the rear one, today I've just done the first front side, and I don't think so I will be able to do the other side because it's going to be dark in 1 hour, so I just really need to put all this back together and tighten the place, and that's it. It's going to be next week's job now. Right, it is day number 273 and finally all the suspension is in, and I have decided to put the rack spacers in as well. So just remove the tie rod and we'll clean the threads. Got the thread locker, got the spacer. I will install it as well. I want to maximize the lock in this car. Destroyed ice reckons is 65 degrees. We'll see, we'll see. So another 365 days on and suspension is aligned, obviously on eye. This side looking really good. Flash pretty much as I wanted to do. And other side it sticks out a little bit for maybe 5 mil or so, but this is because I had accident in here and the swing is crooked. I will try to pull it out a little bit and it should be alright. Right folks, many of you have been waiting for this moment when I will measure the drift angle of the Super Knuckles. I got my all tool out and it was a bit broken, so I can't be bothered fixing it, so I'm just gonna position the tire in here as previously without the screw, and what it's gonna do is gonna do exactly the same thing. It's just gonna rotate left or right to show me the angle. So let's crack on. So it's the moment of truth. Car is on a measuring tool, so the arrow lines up to the 0 and in there this lines up to the 90 degrees, so it's all straight. Steering wheel is straight. So now we're gonna measure the angle. Right, so the arrow is just off 45, but then it has a little bit more, so I reckon it's between 67 and 45. So this lands somewhere around in the 55 region. Look at this. Look at this angle. Oh my god. Super excited, super good. Tomorrow I'm going to do the alignment. Stay tuned. Just arrived to the petrol station and now we'll need to fill up the car, and then guess what? Yes, test the alignment and new suspension. Super excited, super excited.